Think of yourself forced to find the most powerful dragon's egg. If you didn't, you would be executed. Crazy, huh? Well, those things happen when I'm doing my favorite hobby. Can you guess what my hobby is? If you guess reading, you're right. My favorite hobby is reading because it's fun to do and everybody can participate. I really enjoy reading. I like reading books like Dragon's Ball. I really enjoy reading. I like reading books because it takes me into different worlds. I imagine myself doing what the main characters in the book is doing. It's like I'm living their life. Plus, reading lets me think what the main characters are thinking. The more I read, the faster I become at reading, and the bigger my vocabulary becomes. Reading is a fun thing to do for everyone. I will leave you with a quote that I understand now because I read so much. I know half of you, half as well as I would like, and I like less than half of you, half as much as you deserve.
Where'd that from? Tell us where it's from.
I got it from Lord of the Rings.
All right, good job, Seth. Give him a hand, guys.
Woo!